Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, an interesting weather pattern here for the next few days. And here is the percent average rainfall the last 30 days. Average rainfall is about 4.5 inches. And you can see up in northern Missouri, it's been the driest. There's right near Bethany, 100%, 103%, and also the south side of the city. But most areas have had under 100% of average. We're not in a drought or anything, but that topsoil dries out pretty fast. To keep the yard green, you need an inch of water per week. Some of the corn is in the pollination stage, and soybeans are starting to get their act together here as we get into August. So a good drink of water would be nice. And so far, I'll show you here in just a second, there is the driest areas there in our north part of the viewing area. But over the last 48 hours, not much has occurred there. There was some rain around Maryville, some 1/4 inch amounts, but mostly in the city here, about a trace to half-inch. Northeast corner of Kansas, though, had some heavy rain and even some flooding there right around Hiawatha earlier today. But you can see it's mostly been south and west of Kansas City. And when we look at weather track radar, we were tracking an area of rain and thunderstorms that came in, but look at this. It's hit a wall about the state line, and it is now weakening as we just got some light rain showers, but overall, most of the rain is pretty much on the downtrend. We'll still have a few showers linger here through the afternoon. And there's a couple downpours sneaking there into those dry areas in northwest Missouri. There's a whole bunch of little twists. There's a whole bunch of little waves, and we're now going into this zone where we could have some periods of rain and thunderstorms out ahead of a cold front. We're going to go through all that here in just a second. But these areas of rain showers will wind down. If you are on the Kansas side, it'd be a few rain showers through the afternoon. On the Missouri side, you might get a sprinkle or two, and generally cloudy, warm, and extremely humid. As we take a look here closer at the city, mostly just light rain, and mostly, as I say, from Platte County is on the other side of the state line, but from Platte County to Johnson County, the state line goes like that, but the rain is like that. So what is going on? Well, today we have a situation where the high heat is down in the southern plains, and a storm system is trying to get itself organized up in the northern plains. There's a pocket of heat up there, and north of the warm front is where this zone is of some thunderstorms that formed last night, moved towards us, fell apart. They're going to form again tonight and try to move towards us. And then on Thursday, we are looking at a situation where the heat's going to try to surge into Kansas to our west. And it's in response to a storm system forming in the northern plains. And we're in this zone ahead of the warm front where we could see thunderstorms and rain off and on all day. If it rains all day, we'll be in the 70s tomorrow. But where will that zone set up? Like today, it's just west of the state line. It might set up a little farther to the east. Then on Friday, they're going to combine into a storm system in Missouri, and a cold front will come through. We may have some thunderstorms in the morning. The front's a little slower. We could have a few in the afternoon. It's still going to be a steamy day Friday, but look at those north winds bring in cooler air and less humid air for the weekend. Only in the 60s and 70s in Iowa and Illinois, but that's where there's going to have a lot of rain after it had a rough start to the week with all that severe weather from Green Bay to Chicago the other day. So it doesn't look as severe there this time around, just a lot of rain though. So, and flooding, as I say, does kill more people per year than tornadoes and lightning. So turn around, don't drown. Even we could see some flash flooding here would be the main threat if we really got into this zone. So here is the rain and thunderstorms that will be decreasing this afternoon, and then a few showers will be possible tonight or thunderstorms. But then tomorrow we're going to get into a zone of some rain and some thunderstorms. The question is, will it set up like this? A little farther west, a little farther east, we'll just have to see. But while this is going on, turn your attention to the north, a much bigger area of thunderstorms, and it's going to start to drop south and east and come through here later tomorrow night. That's probably the best chance for widespread rain, but you can see it kind of breaks up there over those dry areas in northern Missouri, and that's 4 a.m. Friday, and then by 10 a.m. Friday, our part of the thunderstorms are falling apart while the main storm takes off to the east, and it brings some heavy rain to those locations, and it's going to set us up for a nice weekend. A north breeze. Saturday would be in the 70s too if it's cloudy all day, and there's a slight chance of that, probably low 80s, but it's not going to be low humidity, but it's going to be lower humidity and noticeably lower because it can't get much more humid than what we've been dealing with. It really almost can only go down. So yeah, it is going to be a nice weekend, bottom line. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, in the big picture, we're on the western edge of a huge area where the eastern part of the country is going to have all kinds of rain and activity the next few days. This is the rainfall forecast through Monday. Our best chance, as I just showed you, is Thursday and Friday. And drier down in Oklahoma and Texas, where the main upper level high is, into the southwest, but it's pulling up some of that monsoon moisture on its western side. And it is the upper level high heat wave creating machine. So the rainfall, there's going to be a band especially the next couple of days where there's 1 to 2 inches of rain. Some spots could see 2 to 5, just like today. There's a band of rain, and they had 3-4 inches of rain in northeast Kansas. In that band, there's a possibility of those heavier rain just about anywhere, 1/2 to 1 inch, maybe 1 to 2 in some spots to the east. Again, that band can shift around by 50 to 80 miles or so. So we'll just have to see how it evolves, as we always do here in Kansas City, because it is always on the edge. So for today, these areas of rain and a few thunderstorms are mainly just rain now. Will decrease to a few showers around 85, very humid. And then you know it's humid when it's 80 degrees and raining outside. Low 70 to 75 tonight, a few showers and thunderstorms possible, humid. And then tomorrow, periods of rain and thunderstorms are likely in a zone, but all areas have the best chance at night. 80 to 85 at 70s in rain areas. Super 10-day forecast. Big improvement. Look at that. We begin August, 82 Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and then it looks like it'll heat up next week, although a front may try to get in here to interrupt that a little bit, but some hotter days will be ahead. So let's enjoy this break in the heat. Have a great rest of your day and week ahead. Stay healthy.